Snowbanks are piling up, and so are the questions surrounding the cleanup from Sunday's snowstorm in the city of Wilkes-Barre.
When a snowstorm hits, they feel it's their responsibility, to take care of the streets, take care of the residents.
As the first flakes came down, the plows came out. Wilkes-Barre DPW workers say they were ready for a marathon, expecting to work well beyond 24 hours.
They've done this before. They know how to prepare. They knew the snow was coming. They know how to sleep early so they could work as long as they could.
But that didn't happen. A DPW employee who does not want to be identified tells Action 16 their shifts were cut short due to safety concerns. After about 16 hours on the job, they were told to go home, required to take an 8-hour break before returning.
A lot of the guys around the yard will say that we feel like we're the bottom of the barrel, and they treat us like that all the time.
The city cites safety. Under normal conditions, Pennsylvania CDL truck drivers must follow regulations, driving no more than 11 hours within a 14-hour workday, and then drivers must take 10 hours off. But those restrictions are lifted during snow emergencies.
This was a time where people could make extra money, and you don't have many opportunities where you're going to have to work that long of period where you can make a lot of money and then be able to save it up for later on.
According to the union that represents DPW, the city brought in at least 7 subcontractors to cover the routes left unstaffed after workers were relieved.
We're the cheaper option as opposed to using contractors where they're more expensive. They're not aware of the streets. They're not aware of how to run the runs.
Obviously, we never want to give our work to subcontractors, but during that period, that's what happened.
Teamsters Union Local 401 represents Wilkes-Barre City DPW workers and says grievances surrounding the storm have been filed. The union says it's been working closely with Mayor George Brown.
He felt it was the safest to pull them off after 16, let them recharge for 8, and then go back out and work up to 16 again. Again, a lot of our people weren't happy about it. They feel it's their job, and they take pride in it. It's their baby. They wanted to stay out as long as possible. Mayor
George Brown released this statement to Action 16 Investigates, saying in part, quote, "While it is always our goal to clear our roadways as quickly and cost effectively as possible, my administration refuses to jeopardize the safety of our employees to do so. Further, we refuse to put the public at risk from an exhausted employee performing their duties while in less than ideal weather conditions." While the snow is being removed in a matter of days, the plows have moved on, but the grievances have not.
The guys take pride in working for the city and want to take care of the place that they live, but it's hard because when you're working against people at City Hall who don't want you to work and get everything done the right way, I don't think they understand how the work is done.
We have a great relationship with the city. We've had a great working relationship with the mayor. We will get through this. It's just a bump in the road for us right now. The good part is everyone stayed safe, and at the end of the day, everyone will get what they're entitled to.
We spoke with Mayor George Brown today, and he confirmed that the city used subcontractors to help with the void of city workers during that mandated break time. He says the city has used subcontractors for similar situations to this one in the past.